In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. We'll walk through the fastest, clearest way to add a meeting so your pipeline stays organized and your follow-ups stay on track. If you're already logged into Pipedrive, you're set. Start by heading to the Activities section. Look to the left-hand sidebar and click Activities. This area is the central hub for everything you need to do: calls, tasks, and of course, meetings. You might see your tasks as a list or on a calendar-style view. Either way, the Activities section is where you'll open and manage what's coming up. Going here first ensures your new meeting is created in the right place and stays connected to your sales workflow. Now, let's add a new one. At the top of the Activities list, click the plus icon to create a new activity. Depending on your view, it may simply appear as a small plus sign or a button labeled Add Activity. Clicking it opens a form where you'll enter all the key details of your meeting. This keeps everything consistent and ensures reminders and associations work as expected. Next, fill in the meeting details. Give your meeting a clear subject line so you can recognize it at a glance. Set the date, start time, and end time, and double-check the time zone if your account or attendees work across regions. Add a short description or agenda so you remember the purpose and any prep needed. Crucially, set the activity type to meeting. You'll find this in the type field. Choose meeting so Pipedrive treats it as a calendar event rather than a call or task. While you're here, link the meeting to the relevant person, organization, or deal to keep your records tidy and make follow-ups effortless. If you collaborate with teammates, confirm the owner is correct and adjust visibility if needed. Set a reminder, email, in-app, or both, so you never miss the start. If there's a location or a video link, drop it into the location or notes field for easy access later. Once everything looks right and the type is set to meeting, save the activity. Your meeting is now scheduled and visible in Activities, and you'll see it in your upcoming list or calendar view. Quick recap. Go to Activities on the left, click the plus icon to add a new activity, then enter your details and make sure the type is set to meeting. That's all you need to stay organized and ready for your next conversation in Pipedrive.